Hi everyone. If you like my content, please support the channel so that we can continue. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for everyone. Brad Pitt is one of the most successful and beloved actors in Hollywood. He was born in Shawnee, Oklahoma, in 1963, but grew up in Springfield, Missouri. As a young man, Pitt attended the University of Missouri, where he studied journalism and advertising. After college, Pitt moved to Los Angeles to pursue a career in acting. He got his first big break in 1991, when he appeared in the critically acclaimed film Thelma Louise. His performance in the film launched him to stardom and earned him widespread recognition. Over the next few years, Pitt starred in a series of successful films, including A River Runs Through It, Legends of the Fall, and Seven. He quickly became known for his good looks and charismatic personality, and he was considered one of the most attractive men in Hollywood. In the late 1990s, Pitt began to take on more challenging roles in independent films. He starred in the critically acclaimed films Fight Club and Snatch, and earned praise for his performances in both movies. He continued to take on challenging roles throughout the 2000s, starring in films such as Ocean's 11, Troy, and The Assassination of Jesse James by the coward Robert Ford. In addition to his successful acting career, Pitt has also been involved in a number of humanitarian and social causes. He is an active supporter of various charities, including the Make It Right Foundation, which he founded to help rebuild New Orleans after Hurricane Katrina. Pitt has also been an outspoken advocate for marriage equality and has been vocal about his support for the LGBTQ+ community. He has been married twice, first to actress Jennifer Aniston and later to actress Angelina Jolie. Together, Pitt and Jolie have 6 children and have been involved in various philanthropic endeavors around the world. Today, Brad Pitt continues to be one of the most successful and influential actors in Hollywood. He is a multiple Academy Award winner and has been recognized for his contributions to both the film industry and society at large. In recent years, Brad Pitt has continued to take on challenging and diverse roles in film. He won an Oscar for Best Supporting Actor for his role in Quentin Tarantino's Once Upon a Time in Hollywood in 2020. He has also been involved in producing films, such as 12 Years a Slave, which won Best Picture at the 2014 Academy Awards. Despite his success, Pitt has remained down-to-earth and humble, often acknowledging the privilege that comes with his fame and success. He has also been open about his struggles with addiction and has spoken about seeking therapy and support to overcome these challenges. Pitt's talent and commitment to his craft, combined with his philanthropic work and advocacy for social justice, have made him an inspiration to many. His work on and off screen has touched countless lives, and his impact on Hollywood and the world at large is undeniable.